Welcome back to Syedyz kitchen. Let's prepare delicious bread Rabdi Layer Dessert. Add half liter of milk in a container and let's wait for one boil. Now, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. To make the milk more thick, add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Now, let's melt the khova by adding warm milk into. Add 2 tablespoons of melted khova. Let it cook until the milk is thick. Let's prepare the custard mix by taking some milk and add 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mix it well. The milk is boiling. Now we will add the prepared custard mix into the milk. Make sure we have to boil the milk until milk is thick like this. Now keep it aside and let it cool down. Now, let's prepare rabdi for our dessert. Take half liter of milk and let's wait for one boil. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Now, take some warm milk separately. Add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and make a paste. Then add the paste into the milk. Add 2 tablespoons of melted khova. and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the milk becomes thick rubbery. Look, our rubbery is ready. We will let it cool for few minutes. We will prepare the bread slices by cutting the edges of the bread. You can also make your desired sizes. Now, we will add rubbery on bread slice. Add some dry nuts and then put the bread on top to make the sandwich like this. Now, take a container. First add the prepared bread. Then add the prepared custard milk. Make sure the bread is dipped completely. Add some dry nuts. Now, repeat the process adding the bread and custard milk to make the layers. Also add the remaining rubbery for extra taste. Finally garnish it with nuts and keep in fridge for an hour. Our tasty, delicious bread rubbery layer dessert is ready.